Good morning, you guys. So this morning I am heading to get my nails done, and then I'm also gonna go to Michael's because I did make some new body butters and I wanted to show you guys, because you know Black Friday is next week Friday, and I believe today is Wednesday, but I don't know what's the date. Let me look and see. Hold on. So today is the 17th. So today's the 17th, and I want to go ahead and get ready for Black Friday. So I'm gonna start selling my body butters probably this Friday. I'm not sure, but I do need to go to Michael's to go get me some boxwoods. I really don't want to get the whole 20-piece set on Amazon, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just go to Michael's and probably get like 4 or 5, because I already have 2 pieces. So I'm just trying to save me some money, y'all, because that's too expensive to be spending $100 or $120, whatever how much it was. But anyways, I gotta go to my appointment, but I'm gonna meet y'all at Michael's. Okay, y'all, so she's gonna go back there and go check for me, because the only ones that they have is this one, which I don't want. This is so ugly. Okay, so yeah, I'm just waiting to see if they have it. Hopefully they do, because I drove all the way out here 30 minutes out my way, so hopefully they have it, y'all, because I really want it like so bad to make my little back trail. So y'all, wish me luck. So anyways, you guys, they didn't have it at all. I guess there was an inventory messed up count on it, so she did give me a coupon to like get free shipping online for it, but she told me they might have one more store, so I might just check that one out. I don't know, but yeah, I'm just like aggravated and mad. Ooh, I'm just aggravated and mad because, you know, they don't have it, and I really wanted that. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I might just go to another store, honestly. I might just go to another store, but I do need to go stop at Target in Castleberry. So I'm gonna go over there first, and then I probably might just go to Oviedo and go get it, because I went like 40 minutes away from my house to go get this. So yeah, you guys, I'll update you guys once I get back home, or if I go to another store and if I find it. Okay, you guys, so I'm back from the store, and I end up finding it at another Michael's. So these are the boxwoods right here. This is it. I only seen 3, so that's all I got, was only 3 of them, but I might set it up today. Cut up the soap and let's see how it came out. Okay, let's see how it came out, you guys. So this is the soap right here. What I basically did was mix some of my old soaps, like, you know, like the little small pieces that I get left from. I just put that in there and just made the soap. So boom, there it goes right here. Y'all like it? That's all I basically did. People always asking me, you know, how do you make swirls and this, that, the third. I really don't try, like, you know, to be a perfectionist. I just make them, like, and I just go with the flow, you know. I don't really try or bust my behind trying to really like make swirls with my soaps. Honestly, I really don't. I just don't. It just, you know, naturally happens. It just naturally happens. Ooh, these came out real pretty. I didn't think it would come out like that. Like, honestly, I didn't think it would come out like that. Because sometimes when I make my soap, some days I'll be like, you know what, it's ugly. But some days I'm like, whatever. But it came out pretty nice. But I'm gonna finish cutting these up, and then I'll get back to you guys when I'm gonna get ready to pack my orders. guys, my tripod, I don't know, it looks like it's going down. Yep, it is going down. It's going down. But anyway, so I got my first shipment from You Pack and Ship. I ordered some more mailers because I need some for the holidays. Y'all know Friday, I'm having my sale for Black Friday. So yeah, I had to add some more, get some more poly mailers because I don't have enough. So I have to stack that up, get some more and put it away. I'm trying to hurry up and open this, but one thing about it, You Pack and Ship, they know how to take these boxes up, honey. And that's a good thing too. They know how to take these boxes up. Okay. But anyway, so my invoice ripped. But I believe I ordered 100. They didn't put up the Christmas scents. I mean, I said Christmas scents. Christmas poly mailers yet. So I just end up ordering some cloud. I just end up ordering that. And then these are normally like if you order like one item, this way it will come in. Like if you order just probably like a yoni oil or yoni soap, it will come in this. Yeah, so basically it would just come in that. But I'm trying to show you guys the bottom. But like I said, they know how to take off the boxes, you guys. They knew how to take off the boxes. Okay, so this is my other ones right here that I ordered. All of this. This is my fall packaging. When I tell you guys this is so cute. I've been using this for a little minute, but it's really cute for the fall, honey. And then I got this big old box right here. I think I ordered a few things for Black Friday, and one of the things are gonna be a good stock saver for the holidays because it's really small. It's really, really small. Okay. But anyways, I ordered me some more 16 ounces. I already have a few 16 ounces, but let me show you guys how it looks. I already have a few 16 ounces. But this is a 16 ounce right here. Yeah, this is my 16 ounce that I have. I think I ordered probably like 30. I didn't want to order too much. And then I ordered some tops for it. And that goes the other pack. So I think I ordered about probably like 48. Yeah, I think I ordered about 48 of those. And then I got me some seal protectors, you know, to cover it up so it won't spill in transit. So I got a few of those. And I have some tops that I got. These are all the tops. I think it's two more of them in there, but you know, you get the gist. And then this will be only a holiday thing. I think it might just be a holiday thing. I don't know. I'm gonna see how it do with, you know, the whole Christmas holiday thing going on, but we'll see. So these are my 2 ounces. Like, look at how cute these are, y'all. Like, isn't it cute? This is very cute. Let me put a top on it. Oh, look, wait a minute. Let me put a top on it, you guys. Let me see how it is. I don't know if it fits. I think it fits these type of tops. It do. Oh my God, y'all, like, look. This is so cute. And you know, I really wanted this. I want to make it a 3-pack. But then again, I don't know if people want to get it as that. You get what I'm trying to say? I don't know. I think I might just make them like individuals. Like, what y'all think? I might just make them just individuals. But these are 2 ounces that I will be selling. And I'm going to work on them today and probably put them up tomorrow. Because I'm waiting on my boyfriend to come to help me with the drum. Because I have a big box of shower gels. I mean, yeah, the drum is a big drum of shower gels. And it's just too much for me to even bend and help and take it out by myself. So I think that's about it for now. But what I am going to show you guys right now is me setting up. I'm going to see how it works out. I don't know if it works out. If it's going to work out good. But I'm going to set up my photography in the garage. I'm going to see how it looks. But I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to record it and show you guys. Okay. Remember when I told you guys that I got these mini bottle brush tree from Target? I got that. And remember when I told you guys I got the snowflakes? Ooh, they look like they're falling.
for $3 at Target. We're gonna see how it come out. And then the last thing that I did get was this candle holder from Target for $10. We're gonna see how it come out. I'm gonna let you guys know where I get things from. Like, I'm not gonna be stingy. I'm trying to be as creative as snowflakes, I think it's called. Yeah, snowflakes. Yeah, let me add some more to it. Okay, let's try it again. So this is how the picture came out. Let me show you guys how it came out. You guys, y'all know I don't know how to work my phone like that. So this is how the picture came out. This is how the picture looks. I think I'm gonna have to work on it. I need it to be more white in the background. It's like too dark for me. So I'm gonna work on that right now. Guys, so that's the end of it. I might show you guys the final, but you guys probably might see it online. I'm gonna try to like edit it and make it more whiter in the background because it's not that bright. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like this video. I might record a video on Black Friday showing you guys the progress, like what I did with my restock. But yeah, that is it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for my next video. Bye.